Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making ham steak. These are just cheap ham steaks I got at Walmart. I know it says Sam's Choice, so you might be able to get them at Sam's Club too, I'm not sure. But what you want to do before you even try to start cooking them is you want to soak them overnight, at least 12 hours in water. That'll help get rid of some of the salty taste. Because trust me, these are really salty. Grab steak. Dry it off a little. Now I have my pan preheating. Slide that out of the way. Now there's no real way for me to measure this and tell you how to do it. It's just gonna depend on how big your steaks are, how many you're doing. Basically, everybody in, come on. Basically, it's 1 part butter. I'm actually using Parquet. Turn that down a little. Have this on medium heat. And 1 part brown sugar. Oh. Stir that in. Now, some people add mustard. I'm not. Just because I don't feel like adding mustard to it, to be honest. What I'm going to add to it is just a little bit of vanilla. There you go. Go ahead, stir that up a little bit. Go ahead, put your ham steak in. Turn my heat back up a little bit. You want to make sure that you keep flipping it. Yeah. Now you're just going to do this to your desired doneness. How dark, how light you want it. Just try not to get your pan too hot that it actually starts burning. Hopefully that makes sense. And when you're flipping it, try not to splatter too much. Like I just did. Go ahead and use these bad boys. There we go. And there you go, 1 lightly fried ham steak. Like I said, you can add mustard to this, but basically it's 1 part butter, 1 part brown sugar. You can add mustard, you can add vanilla extract like I did. If you try it, let me know what you think. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.